How to sign up PlayStation Network account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can register or open an account on PlayStation. In order to register or sign up for a PlayStation account, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. So then to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice. And after that, on the web address bar, type in www.playstation.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. So this is an official link for a PlayStation. So once you're on this page, click on the sign in button located in the upper right hand side corner. Now you'll be taken to the sign in field. So if you already have an account, then enter in your credential, log in into your account. However, if you don't have an account, click on create new account, which is right at the bottom, and this is going to take you to the registration page. So then to begin with, click on create account, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll need to select the country of your residence and then your language preferred to you. So click on next once you're done selecting it. For the age verification, type in your date of birth. To register yourself into a PlayStation account, you need to provide in the email address, create a password. For the confirmation, you need to type in twice. Now quickly enter in all of these information. Now you need to provide in the address. For that, enter in your city, your state, and then the postal code according to it. Now you'll need to create an online ID. So basically creating an online ID is like creating a username. So you can see right at the bottom there are a few suggestions as well. If you want to take it from the suggestion, you can do that, or if you want to customize it yourself, that is also possible. So after that, you need to provide in your first and your last name. Click on the next button, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll be able to see this kind of state. You'll be receiving update through an email. Go through all of these terms and conditions, click on agree and create, which is right at the bottom. So here you go, that the account has been successfully created. So click on the OK button and this is going to direct you to the home page. Now go through all of these terms and conditions and then click on the confirm button. Without reading this, make sure not to tap on the confirm button as this has some essential information regarding your account. Now you'll need to verify your email address. So for that, a verification code has been sent. So what you need to do is open up your email and then check for the verification code. As you can see that right on top that I've received a verification code. So all you need to do is verify now. Just tap on it and this is going to verify your email address. You can see that the verification has been completed, and along with that, you've successfully created or registered for PlayStation account. Here's my profile picture, and that is how you can create a PlayStation account on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.